thriving indoor garden even if you have limited space. Low-light tolerant options for a small space. Highlight plant varieties suitable for indoor environments. Showcase a variety of foliage plants, herbs, or flowering plants. Explore different container options, including vertical gardens. Demonstrate different container arrangements, tiered stands, hanging planters. Utilize visual interest with different plant textures and colors. Incorporate natural elements for a harmonious look. Showcase stylish pots, planters, and decor. Use lighting to enhance the beauty of the plants. Essential care practices for healthy growth. Watering techniques and proper soil selection. Encourage viewers to ask questions in the comments. A spacious, modern bathroom with a strong connection to nature. Hyper-realistic rendering. Concrete walls with a warm taupe color, punctuated by vibrant green plants. A large vertical living wall of various plants fills one section. A large, freestanding white bathtub sits in front of the living wall, and there is a pair of oval sinks in a light wood vanity. The floor is light brown hardwood. A gray rug is centered in the room near the bathtub. Glass shower enclosure with a modern rain shower head. Plenty of natural light streams in through full-length glass doors, revealing a lush tropical garden outside. A modern, spacious indoor-outdoor living area. A large, tan leather couch sits in the center of a room with a light gray area rug on a medium brown wooden floor. A stylish black coffee table sits in front of the couch. A wall-mounted vertical garden, filled with lush green plants in various planters and containers, dominates one wall of the space. The wall is dark gray or charcoal, creating a striking contrast with the vibrant greenery. The kitchen, with wooden cabinets and light wood tones, is visible through the space. Large windows provide plenty of natural light and allow for a view of a garden outside. A spacious, indoor-outdoor living area, hyper-realistic in style, featuring a concrete structure with a wooden ceiling. A large, lush vertical garden wall of various tropical plants, like ferns, monsteras, and other greenery, creates a vibrant backdrop. Warm, natural tones dominate. The concrete is a muted gray, the wood is a rich brown, and the orange-toned furniture adds a pop of color. A dining table with light-colored wooden chairs is situated in the open-plan area. An orange sectional couch with a matching ottoman is centered, positioned to face a sleek, dark gray kitchen area with black appliances and a minimalist aesthetic. A spacious, modern living room, filled with lush greenery. A vibrant orange rust-colored sectional sofa dominates the foreground, featuring a rich, deep texture. The walls are a warm, burnt orange, with a large, living wall of various green plants covering a section of the wall. Multiple shelves are filled with more potted plants, creating a verdant, jungle-like feel. The setting suggests a modern, loft-style apartment or house, with large sliding glass doors that open to an outdoor space, filled with more foliage. The kitchen, visible through the room, has gray concrete-look cabinetry and stainless steel appliances. A modern, cozy, and vibrant interior garden space, perhaps a remodeled van or tiny house. Detailed wall-mounted herb and flower gardens in dark gray planters cascade down a light wooden wall. A comfortable gray sectional sofa with throw pillows sits in the middle of the room, facing a large window. A variety of colorful flowers, bright oranges, yellows, reds, and different shades of greens are arranged in planters and boxes, both on the walls and along the furniture, creating a dense, flourishing garden aesthetic. The floor is a warm, reddish-brown wood. A lush, tropical garden patio space integrated seamlessly with a contemporary concrete home. Mid-afternoon light filters through the dense foliage, casting warm, dappled shadows on the stone pathways and the abundance of exotic plants. Hyper-realistic rendering, showcasing the rich greens, browns, and golds of the natural elements. Large leaves of tropical plants like ferns, alocasia, and bird of paradise, create a dense, verdant atmosphere. Stone pathways, including large, flat paving stones and small pebbles, wind through the garden, leading up to a wooden deck that serves as an outdoor living area. A spacious, modern open-plan living area seamlessly integrated with a lush outdoor garden. Massive concrete walls with a textured, speckled gray-brown finish create a backdrop for a variety of tropical plants and greenery that cascade down into a garden and patio areas within the home. A light-toned hardwood floor flows through the space, connecting the indoor and outdoor living zones. Large glass doors and windows offer stunning views of the verdant garden, creating a continuous sense of space and light. A light gray, sectional-style sofa with various cushions sits in the center of the home, and an area for dining is just beyond. A modern living room with a large living wall of lush greenery. Mid-century modern aesthetic, hyper-realistic style. The wall-mounted living wall features a variety of green plants, moss, and orange/yellow flowers, arranged in a textured, layered design. The concrete walls are a dark gray with wooden paneling along one side. A large, sectional sofa in a slate gray fabric is positioned in front of the living wall. Orange throw pillows are on the sofa. The room is filled with various potted plants, including large leafy plants and palm trees. A sprawling, meticulously detailed, hyper-realistic interior-exterior space. A modern Japanese Zen garden seamlessly transitions indoors. Large sliding glass doors open to a lush, well-maintained garden with water features, various sized rocks, and mature bonsai trees. The indoor space features light-toned wooden beams, concrete walls with exposed aggregate, and a long wooden bench seating area. A large flat-screen TV is mounted on the wall just inside, with purple and green foliage. The pathway features large, square concrete tiles leading towards the welcoming front door. To the sides, two distinct bronze sculptures, circular in shape, are strategically placed within the garden, adding an artistic touch. The scene is bathed in warm, natural sunlight, highlighting the sharp lines of the architecture and the vivid colors of the flowers. The atmosphere is serene and inviting, embodying an aesthetic that blends elements of modern landscaping with an organic, impressionistic feel. Modern architectural landscape featuring a minimalist house facade with large windows, contrasting black stone and natural wood elements. In the foreground, a meticulously arranged garden with a winding pathway made of smooth white pebbles, bordered by lush greenery and vibrant flower beds. Colorful foliage, including orange flowers and soft pink plants, complements a backdrop of tall trees under a bright blue sky. The scene captures a serene, harmonious balance between modern design and natural beauty, with warm sunlight illuminating the space. High-resolution, hyper-realistic style. A modern home with a blend of stone and wood exterior, featuring large windows and a spacious porch. The foreground showcases a beautifully landscaped area with a cascading water feature, flowing gently over smooth stones. Vibrant yellow flowers dot the landscape alongside lush green grasses and varied ornamental plants. The scene captures a serene outdoor setting under a partly cloudy sky, with soft blue tones and hints of green in the background. The aesthetic is hyper-realistic, emphasizing the intricate details of the plants and stones, while creating a tranquil, inviting atmosphere. Contemporary luxury home interior featuring a serene outdoor space. The scene is set in a tropical environment characterized by vibrant greenery and carefully arranged landscaping. Emphasize a hyper-realistic aesthetic, capturing intricate details of the architecture and nature. The structure showcases large glass doors that open to a wooden deck, blending indoor and outdoor living. Incorporates smooth wooden planks, sleek stone accents, and a tranquil water feature with cascading waterfalls and smooth black stones. The color palette should include rich brown tones of the wood, deep greens of the foliage, and soft blues of the sky, complemented by the shimmering surface of the water feature. Modern architectural home with a sleek, minimalist design, featuring a flat roof and large glass windows that reflect the clear blue sky. The pathway is lined with geometric stone slabs leading to the entrance, surrounded by lush greenery and various desert plants, including cacti and lavender. The landscaping is meticulously groomed with manicured hedges and decorative boulders. In the background, gentle mountains rise under a bright sun, creating a tranquil and serene atmosphere. Modern outdoor garden setting, hyper-realistic style, featuring a sleek pathway made of large stone slabs interspersed with lush green grass and ornamental grasses, surrounded by meticulously curated plants, contemporary architecture with large glass walls revealing a well-lit interior, warm wooden accents on the roof, vibrant green trees in the background casting gentle shadows. Soft morning light enhancing the rich colors, a minimalist seating area visible with elegant furniture, tranquil. Atmosphere, focus on harmony between nature and modern design. A modern residential exterior showcasing a thoughtfully designed entrance. The scene features a sleek facade made of dark wood and stone accents, indicative of contemporary architecture. A set of inviting, well-lit steps leads to a glass front door, surrounded by lush greenery. Symmetrically arranged boxwood shrubs and small trees create a polished appearance, while soft garden lighting highlights the pathway leading up to the entrance. The lawn is meticulously manicured with vibrant green grass, contrasting with the elegant gray concrete stepping stones lining the walk. A beautifully landscaped garden path featuring smooth, round pebbles in various shades of gray and blue, interspersed with delicate tufts of golden grasses. Weathered driftwood sculptures serve as focal points, their intricate textures highlighted by the sunlight. The setting includes a modern home in the background, with an elegant wooden facade and expansive glass windows reflecting the lush green surroundings. Warm, natural lighting enhances the tranquil atmosphere, creating a harmonious blend of organic elements and contemporary design. A serene Japanese garden at sunset, featuring a tranquil pond surrounded by lush greenery. The scene includes smooth black stone pathways leading to the water, with large, dark rocks partially submerged in the pond, adorned with vibrant water lilies in shades of pink and white. Delicate cherry blossom trees with rich pink leaves contrast beautifully against the deep greens of meticulously manicured shrubs. Gentle cascading water flows over rocks, creating a soothing sound. Modern architectural scene featuring a sleek, contemporary house at twilight. The exterior of the house showcases a bold, dark color palette with large windows that give a glimpse of a cozy interior. Soft, warm lighting emanates from the house, highlighting the entrance. A landscaped pathway leads up to the house, consisting of wide, concrete steps illuminated by subtle lighting along the edges. Surrounding the path are various plants and greenery, including low shrubs and ornamental grasses, creating a seamless blend of nature and design. A serene courtyard scene in a Mediterranean style, featuring a rustic pathway made of large, uneven stone slabs leading through lush greenery. The setting is enhanced by warm, natural light,